Severe thunder and thunderstorms caused widespread flooding in Auckland, New Zealand today, closing several schools and flooding streets and highways.
Unbelievable. You're kidding me, right?
Oh my gosh.
The city recorded one of the rainiest hours on record this morning. Between 8 and 9 a.m., the Oakland weather station in Albany recorded 76.88 millimeters, NEAP said. Auckland had the wettest day on record on Tuesday, with more than 9,000 lightning strikes recorded in the upper North Island this morning. The Weather Service said this afternoon that the active front that caused showers and thunderstorms in the North Island will move overnight to the east of Aotearoa. Looks like this hour will be the rainiest hour on record in Auckland, but we need to check the record books. Severe flooding that destroyed most of the residential buildings and all the property in them.